Alright everybody, thanks for checking out Average LR Shooter YouTube channel again. Today we have my budget Mark 12 Mod 1 build here on the bench. And we're going to go over the parts, the prices, and everything it took to put together a rifle that to me, for myself, feels like a Mark 12 Mod 1, but for a lot cheaper. So let's go over the parts, take it out to the range, see how it groups, and then we'll do some field testing, come back to the bench and see what we found. Alright everybody, so we're going to go over the parts, the cost, and what it took to put together a rifle that felt like a Mark 12 Mod 1 to me. So we'll start from the back, go to the front. Like I said, this is a Smith & Wesson MK15 that I got on a Black Friday sale a couple years ago, and I think I got it for $500. So not a bad deal. It's a good start to our budget theme. So starting at the back, this is a UTG A2 AR-15 stock. It includes the stock itself, an A2 receiver extension, buffer spring, and buffer, rifle buffer. And I got this for $50 off Optic's Planet. Moving forward, we have our primary arms scope and optic mount. This is the 30mm deluxe mount. The scope is the 4-14 by 44 HUD DMR 556 reticle scope. It is illuminated. I don't think I'll use the illuminated a whole lot, but the nice thing about this is the Mark 12 was originally built for rapid engagements, fast follow-up shots. So with a scope with this type of reticle, it allows us to do that by using holdovers. Total cost of the bundle was $340. Going forward, this is our UTG rail. Originally, the Mark 12 Mod 1s came with the Knights Armament rail. This does a pretty decent job of mimicking it, and for a price of only $90, you know, you're definitely off a lot cheaper than you would be buying a Knights Armament rail. So we have our vertical foregrip and rail covers. Both of these were probably $25 off eBay. Moving forward, we have our Caldwell bipod with lever lock and adapter. Total, that whole package, probably $45 to $50. The lever lock is not completely necessary for the Mark 12 Mod 1 build, but it helps me level the rifle out, lock it down so it stays solid. The barrel on this is the original MP15 1-9 twist barrel, chambered in 5.56. It's got a carbine length gas system. Underneath is an Odinworks gas block. I think I paid $35 for it. So overall, this is what it ended up costing me. You can see I'll list all the prices here. We'll add it up so you can see the final price. And for a rifle that to me feels like a Mark 12, I think we did really good. So let's get out to the range to our 100-yard accuracy test and then see what we get. Okay, so we took the budget Mark 12 out to 100 yards, fired multiple different bullet weights through it to see what our 1-9 twist barrel likes, and we got a general feel for what loads show some potential in this rifle, and then just a general overall accuracy of what the weapon system is capable of. Here's the results of our 100-yard load development. It would be a good time to pause the video if this is something you'd be interested in. It really shows the overall accuracy of the system. Next, we take this rifle onto the field, do some shooting at 500 yards with it, using just cheap plinking 55 grain ammo and a few tracers.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
That is awesome.
You see where it went? It looked like it was low.
I didn't see that one because
100-yard hold.
oh man, do you see it?
Yeah.
Look at Ricochet.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
All right. I know where it's gonna. I'm gonna hit it this time.
That is sweet.
All right, ready? Oh, just over the shoulder.
Holy crap. What do those things cost?
Oh, that's just off the
Look
left.
at Ricochet up there.
Yeah.
you go. I don't know what you hit.
I'm having a hard time seeing it.
You hit it. Right side, I think, is what you're hitting. The lower right. Oh, yep, you hit the ground that time.
That was way little. I'm gonna try to put 3 on it, or a couple on it before you even hear the ding. Can you see where I'm hitting?
Yeah, you're hitting on the right side of it, but you're also hitting the lower part of it.
Lower part of it, okay.
I think you're going above every time.
That was above it.
I think you hit it up on the top right, maybe. I don't know. That was low.
Low, just
You hit the ground below it.
windage was good.
Yeah, you were right in the center of it, I think. There you go. Dead center.
Nice. All right, I'm gonna send these quick, as fast as I can. Try to hit it like I just did, you know.
Okay.
This thing runs so smooth. See where that went?
Maybe above, I don't know.
Sounded like a hit.
That was a hit. You're hitting it.
This thing's kind of heavy. Nice. Pegged it. Sounds awesome.
All right, so you got to see our 100-yard load development and accuracy test. We got a lot of good information on that target. We tested 3 different bullet weights, our 55 grain plicking loads, 69 and 77 grain Sierra Match Kings. I'm really excited to load up a lot more of those 69 and 77 grainers and see how they do at, intermediate range. You also got to see some practical field accuracy with this thing out at 500 yards. A little bit of fun with some tracers. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions about the build, anything I might have left out, go ahead and throw a comment down below. We got a lot more cool content on the way, so stay tuned. See you guys next time.